Okay, what's happening? Lens here. So if Facebook is crashing, and it is crashing a lot, I'm going to show you how we can fix that. So you want to go to settings here. You want to go to apps or application, and you want to locate Facebook here. And when you locate Facebook, you want to go to storage. You want to clear cache and also clear data. So this should solve the issue with your Facebook crashing. If it continues to crash, I recommend that you uninstall and reinstall Facebook, and also if there's a new updated version, update your Facebook to the latest version.